Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Rossberry Productions. Today I am sitting in a 2021 Hyundai i20. This is the mild hybrid version, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the time and the date on the car. So obviously we need our ignition on. We're just going to go over here to the main screen, and as you can see the time is just shown there in the middle. We're just going to go to the bottom right, press setup. Then we're going to go over to general on the bottom right again. Now you can see all the version history, system info, my data, and then time and date. And then we've got two options now. Once we're on time and date, you can see the GPS time, which is automatic, or you can actually set the time yourself. Now I've got it so you can set the time yourself. If you just tap that there, that comes up with all of the date and the time. To change it, just use the arrows up and down. So I'm just going to move it to 10:48 AM there. And then when you hit the home button, it actually updates the clock straight away. And there you go. That's how easy it is to update the time and date settings on a 2021 Hyundai i20. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel.